Are you finding it hard to create a talking image because you can't afford expensive websites or laptop? Do you know that you can create a talking AI image of yourself, just like me, for free? Yes, relax, I will teach you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to welcome you to my YouTube channel. My goal is to provide valuable content that entertains, educates, and inspires you. Your support means the world to me, and I am grateful for the opportunity to share my passions with you. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey.
So you need to head over to your Google Play Store, then type Dreamface. Once you type Dreamface, you'll see this AI art animator Dreamface. Now you have to click on install. Then you have to wait for the app to be installed on your phone. When you're done, then click on open. Now this is the app. When you open it, as you can see this place, they have talking, singing, dynamics, AI filters, and all of that. So you just have to click on the talking, the first one up there. Now when you click on it, it's gonna bring up your images. These are the ones that I have already downloaded. Okay, so but if you don't like it, just click on that plus by the side and it will take you to your gallery to pick image. So I ended up choosing that image there, and this is the next step. Now you need to edit the script. Okay, so guys, you need to edit the script. Is either by text or by voice. So I'm going by text, and at this point, if you don't have anything to write, you can use AI script. So just click on the AI script to help you generate prompts. Now when you click on it, you're expected to input, just tell the AI what you want the AI to write for you, and when you're done doing that, it will generate this prompt for you. Then you have to go through it. If that's okay by you, then you can continue from there. Now when you're done, click on continue, and the next step is for you to choose the voice that you want to use. They have for female and male. Okay, then the ones that has pro is a paid version of it. So but there are also free ones that are okay that you can choose from those ones. So at this point, I was just going through it to see the one that is suitable for me, the one that I like. Okay, so just take your time, go through it, and you will definitely find something that you like, even from the free version ones. So when you're done doing that, the next thing you're supposed to do, now click on confirm, click on animate. At this point, it's preparing your video for you, so you just have to exercise patience, and soon you'll have your video ready. It's as simple as that. It's very easy. This one you don't need to have laptop, going through Canva and all of that. So this is the outcome of the video that we just created right now. So guys, this is it. It's very interesting, and it's very easy. It's very easy to do. Something that you can do comfortably with your phone for free. It's not a must that you need to use the paid version. But then if you think that the free ones are not okay for you, then you can go over using the paid one. So I wanted to try something else again. As you all know, you can also use your picture, like your real picture, to do this, but you need to make sure that the picture is clear. Okay, so you can use it. And also, if you want to, for those of you that doesn't know how to create, how I got this realistic image that I'm using to create this video, you can check my previous videos, because I taught today on how you can generate a realistic image, on how you can even swap your face, how you can change your face to that realistic image, and it will look like you, like so beautiful. So at this point, I was just trying to see if I can create with my personal image. Okay, and it's possible. You can also do that. Just when you click on it, you can click on add AI art filter. Okay, then it will change your face to AI picture, and then you can continue doing that. Now just the same step that we went through, just same procedure. So at this point, AI just generated write up for me, and if you don't need the AI assistant, you can just write it by yourself. So now I'm choosing the voice to use, and when you're done, click on animate. The same procedure, the same thing. So you can go about, if you want to create different videos, like you can go about using different avatars or different images of yourself. So if you don't know how to generate these images, just check my old videos. You will see how it's very easy and simple. I taught how you can create these realistic images by yourself with your phone. Guys, this is another example. So you can just type in anything that you want, like this. I just typed financial institutes on that AI script. So now this is the text the AI just generated for me. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. Then click on that continue. You're going to choose the voice that you want. At this point, I'm using a male, so I need a male voice. Okay, I'm using a male avatar, so I need a male voice, and I'm just going to choose one from there. Once I'm done, I'm gonna click on confirm. Okay, now just the same procedure, the same thing that we did, and right now is animating. Once it's done animating, your video will just be ready. Now it's ready. Once it's okay by you, you just need to click on the save. Now save your video. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and drop your comment. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section, and I'll be so glad to attend to you.